inspired by the legacy of Milanese fashion, a city where elegance is stitched into every line, a living tribute to style, art, and culture, where every moment feels intentionally beautiful. At the heart of it all, a new fashion capital rises. Here, luxury labels meet the bold spirit of emerging designers, along boulevards, beneath archways, beside artisanal cafes. This is where fashion is not merely worn, but lived. And as the sun warms the cobblestones beneath your feet, the scent of fresh coffee lingers in the air, and all around you, lush, sculpted gardens unfold. It's a city that flows between energy and stillness, between life and quiet luxury. Beyond this are homes designed for how you live. Open, organic, light-filled. This is more than a home. It's a rhythm, a feeling, a way of life. Azizi Milan, fashion capital of the Middle East.